the Dr. Eric YouTube channel, where I'll be showing you how to add JavaDoc comments to your program or creation. The use of JavaDoc comments is important for many reasons, because it allows you to label different functions of your program and to set out little reminders alongside your code, which could be handy for yourself and whoever is looking or marking your work. JavaDoc comments are so beneficial and very important, so please don't forget them. In order to start, we will be writing 2 forward slashes. Now I am on dark mode, but the way I know that I'm writing a JavaDoc comment is because these turn to a more brown color. Then we will write your comment or any comment you want to add. I will start by writing the date. So today is the 22nd of October and it is 2023. So this is a great example, and the way we know it works is because of the color, which is brown. Now if I import some code I just picked off, this is a rectangle array calculator, we'll already see that there are some comments here. So for example, I included the date, and the next it says creators scan object to read user input, and this shows the lecturer or whoever is looking at your work that this is what the scanner does. We also have system.out.print, and this shows that about the length and width of the rectangle. This is a great example of how you would use JavaDoc comments as a student in order to write helpful notes about each part of your code and different functions. I hope you found this short but useful video interesting. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and comment your opinions down below. I will see you in the next video. My name is Dr. Eric.